Pa-down. Pa-down, sumalaksak. Supalpal yan para kay Toto. Toto steal. Santos. Dometo. Foul. Foul number 4. First personal foul. 2 free throw. Unang free throw. Wala yan. Second free throw. Pasok na yan para kay Santos. Agnes. Agnes, pasok killing. Supal rebound by Toto. To Cruz, to Santos. Still by Agnes. Play ball, acrylic ball. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya bala yun ay Giling. Nasa bola. Giling, pass to pa-down. Skill by Santos. Santos. 2 point. Santos. It's 52 seconds. Agnes. Pass to Giling. Libre. Wala yan. Rebound. Pass to Santos. Dom. Pass. Rappelling violation by Pabilo. Score 21-15. Agnes sumalaksak. Agnes. Foul number 14. First foul. 12 to shoot. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Pavilion. Pavilion nagmamadali. Tira, paktok yan.
Apat na lang.
Rebound by Toto. Toto, pass to Cruz. Binalik, pasok yan para Toto. Lang acrylic. 21-19. 2 points na lang. Acrylic. Cruz. Second person foul number 14. Second team foul. Wala. Traveling violation. Time remaining 6 minutes and fraction ball. Padahon sumalaksak. Wala. Santos Pavilion sumalaksak. Traveling. Rebound by Santos. Rebound by Lozada. So Giling ang bawat 2 points para kay Giling. Santos. Phase 5. Phase 5 po. Phase 5. Buzzer na po. Low.
Full possession na daw, boy.
Low. Low. Hello. Low. Hello. Okay na. Low. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Cha.
Sir, 25 yata, sir.
Labal. Pass to Ken. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by Absalom. Padahon. Foul yan para number 13. Third personal foul. Number 13. Third team foul. Padahon. Agnes. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Giling. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Pass na ball. Tucha. Pass to Bequito. Nawala pa yung bola.
Ay, naisip eh.
4 minutes and 24 seconds. Padahon. Agnes to Absalon. Agnes. Tumira ng 3. Wala rin. Sumabit. Foul daw. Foul si Ken. 2 free throw. Unang free throw. Pasok.
Saan mo mangungula, pre?
Ikalawang free throw. Wala na yan. Rebound by De Verla. Nabal. Nagbapadali. Big Boy. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Nabal. Pinalik kay Big Boy. Wala. Foul yan para kay Big Boy. Second personal foul. To 26-19. Production. Padahon. Sumalaksak. Wala. Pass to Cha. Cha to Nabal. Blocking foul number 27. Second personal foul.
Tulugan na yung boy. Sakit na.
2 minutes and 27 seconds. Chato na ball. Pass to Big Boy. Big Boy. Nawala yung bola. Ares sumalaksak. Foul. Foul number 9. Time out.
Yan na ba yan?
Ako. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Back to the ball game. Score 26-19. Lumalayo na naman yung Kalamangan. First free throw. Wala.
Golden King ko. Ayun na. Sino na dati niya? Dati. Golden King ko. Hindi ko nabuti.
Ikalawang free throw. Pasok na yan para kay Agnes. Nabal. Nabal. Pass to Chak. Chak. To Ken. To Nabal. To Taquito. 2 boys. Pa-down. Pa-down. Nagdadala ng bola. Pa-down. To Agnes. Tumira to. Sipalpal yan. Para kay Ken. Jack. Tumira to. Nagmamadali. Pass to Taquito. Wala yan. Rebound. Kay pa-down. Pa-down. Nagmamadali. Pass to Dwayne. To pa-down. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Ken. Ayun na. Si Nabal. Nabal. To Ken. Ken. Suwalaksak. Wala pa rin. Agnes nagmamadali. Foul. Penalty rep. Substitution. Victorino out, killing in. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Wala pa rin. Pushing foul. Number 26. First personal foul. Nabal. Nagmamadali. Pass to Taquito. Taquito. Sumalaksak. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. Natapik ang bola. Dumiretso Agnes. Libreng-libre. Pasok yan para kay Agnes. 29-21. Taquito. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Agnes. Tupa down. Kaabsalon. Tumira ng 3. Wala, short. Rebound by Nabal. Nabal nagmamadali. Nuevo. Piso-piso. Pushing foul. Foul trouble na si Big Boy. Timeout production. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds. Score 29-23. Production.
Scoring boy ah. Scoring.
Next game, Warehouse versus Packing. Semi-final. Penalty. Back to the ball game. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Basket count. Nabal. Nabal to Toto. Nagmamadali. Still by Nabal to Nuevo. Nuevo sumalaksak to Tequito. Wala yan.
Sa board tumama, boss! Sa board tumama! Wala nakatapik! Sa board tumama! Sa board!
Wala doon ang tapik. Sa board tumama. Last 45 seconds. Padaon. Supalpal yan. To killing. Sumabit daw. Warning for number 8. Continuous complaint. Shout out kay Paul Junel Nayo. Unang free throw. Kapos. Kalawang free throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ken. Ken to Nabal. Nabal to Tequito. To Toto Nuevo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Padaon nagmamadali. Absalon, libre, pasok. Last 18 seconds. Tequito. 12 to shoot. Toto, sumalaksak. 5 seconds. Healing, libre. Pasok. End of second quarter. Score 34-23. Production.